you doing here? Oh wait, the mission to find Billy, my sister. Oh look, school. Oh look, Percy. Hey! Don't mind me. I didn't learn how to rock climb.
Okay.
Hi. My name is Misha. What's your name?
Billy.
Billy?
Yes, that's my name.
Billy.
Huh?
Are you Billy Lucifer?
Yes, that's my last name. How do you know?
Do you, any by chance, have a sister?
No, but I barely remember 5 years of my life.
Billy, it's you! Billy!
Um,
I'm Misha! Misha Lucifer, your sister!
this is getting weird. I'm gonna go now.
Wait! Do you any by chance know that your father is dark?
Yes.
Yes, Billy, it's me, Misha, your sister.
Listen, I don't know who you are. Are you the new student? Because I could just show you around.
Please, Billy. It's me, Misha. You don't remember?
I'm gonna go.
Mich. Oh, Billy. Maybe by any chance I can try to.
That was weird. What if it was true? I mean, I barely know at least 5 years of my life. What if I was brainwashed? I'm gonna go talk to her.
It smells so weird. And Billy's at the school? I need to get her out of here. She needs to go back home.
I wonder what she's talking about.
Can't make her stay here. There's wolves, chihuahuas, hyenas. What? Dad knew. But he knows this could be hard. It's Billy. She doesn't even remember 5 years of her whole life. I got an idea. What if she doesn't remember 5 years of her life? So she probably remembers her childhood.
What the frick?
Maybe I can.
Just walk away like you don't know her. Okay.
Mom!
It's okay.
Mom gave us the locket. Maybe if I start talking about a locket to myself.
What's she talking about? Okay, calm down.
This place is weird. So weird. Well, I do have somebody by me. Mom.
That was weird.
I think I have an idea. Maybe to earn her trust. And finally start talking and get her home. Let's act. I'm so happy I went to LA and did my acting career, because if I haven't, I'll be on the streets like that hag by the corner store.
Maybe she is my sister. The last thing I have is a picture of my mom and dad. She kind of has the skin color of her,
Let's just put in some AirPods.
but the hair color doesn't match. Maybe she dyed it.
Oh, I'm so sorry about what happened, but I am new to the school.
Oh, do you need a tour or anything?
Sure.
Alright. Well, first off, this is the pool.
Wow.
Behind those waterfalls, there's the bakery, and if you cross over there in PE, there's like a dock over there.
Oh, nice.
And some type of place where you could have a wedding, but it's really pretty over there. This is the principal office. Alright, so that's the tour of the whole school.
Oh. The school is very big and it's much better than my old school. My old school, everyone was just mean and cruel.
What papers do you have from the principal?
Oh. Here are my papers. They said I'm in class A.
Alright. Looks like you're dorming with me, so follow me. Okay, so this is the dorm. Feel free to just, walk around, look at it.
Oh my god. I think I'm about to faint. This place is much better than my old school. It just used to look like a prison cell. We didn't even have toilets.
Oh,
A fireplace? Where Santa Claus comes down. I remember those places.
who still believes in that?
A refrigerator? I never saw a refrigerator ever in my life.
Yeah, I'm gonna be in my dorm if you need me.
Oh, okay.
The heck? She's never seen a refrigerator in her life? Weird. There's so much to learn about my actual family. Oh shoot. I can't let her see that. Let's just hope she doesn't come in here.
I got through whatever.
How the heck am I supposed to get rid of these?
That it was suspicious about. Look inside her and without. She's not in here. Oh, sorry. I was just going to ask where the cookie jars is. Every dome had a cookie jar, right?
It's on the counter.
Oh, okay. Um, Wait. Before I leave, do you have wings?
Uh, supposedly, yes.
Oh. Are you your family's from the Dark Kingdom?
That's what my, I guess, foster parents told me.
Oh. Well, good noted. I'm learning about everybody here. If they're water, dark. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go eat some cookies. Bye! And do some homework.
Alright. It worked. Well, now I know how to control him. I should probably go check on what she's doing.
Yes, I found Billy. It's just that she doesn't remember anything. And now I'm just dressed up as a girl to find out all her secrets.
Better make sure that she comes home. Because I need her to come home.
Yes, but she doesn't even remember anything, Dad. All you care about is for her to be there so she can help you with your evil plans. She doesn't even remember anything. All she remembers is Mom. But I don't have anything to show. Anything. Because if I already tell her, she's going to think I'm suspicious. And then she won't even trust me at all. Bye, Dad.